Hey babes, welcome back. So today I'm teaming up with my first wigs. Of course, all the details will be listed down in my description box below. If you are new here, welcome to the Sunflower Gang. So of course, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. Gonna be using my Mio leave-in conditioner. If you need a link to that, that will be listed in my description box. I'm in the mood of just kind of like doing styles that really just kind of fit what my hair is doing right now. And so I'm totally okay with doing like curly styles that are, gonna mimic my natural hair. So today I'm gonna be using some clip-ins just to kind of really add a little bit more volume and a different type of texture to my natural hair, and I'm gonna show you how to do that today. So of course, going through all the hair with a wide tooth comb. I've already detangled in the shower, so this process is actually really easy. I did add a little bit more water just to kind of get my hair a little damp, because me getting out of the shower and preparing for this video turned into my hair almost air drying. Like, what is going on with that? Nevertheless, I'm going to go ahead and just detangle everything all over again. And once you have that situated, now is a good time to go ahead and part your hair out. Check it out. You see what's going on. So I'm just going to go ahead and start parting my hair. Basically, I'm going to be doing a half up, half down. So I'll have like two cute little space buns, or I guess not really buns because my hair isn't really long enough to really get the buns that I was going for. But I will have my little space buns, and then I'll pretty much be doing a wash and go type of thing in the back of my hair just to kind of accentuate my natural curl pattern. And then also this will kind of help blend in with the clip-ins in the long run. So if you guys missed how to do a wash and go video, definitely make sure to check that out. And now is a good time to go ahead and subscribe if you have not already, just so you can kind of get a full detail list of the products that I use and things like that. For this, I am still using the Mio curling custard, and then in combination with the gel as well. So that's pretty much it. And then of course you guys know I have the leave-in conditioner in there. And then for edge control, I'm using the Beauty Scene Edge Control. Of course, it is a black owned company as well. Just to kind of get things rolling, and you guys can see it sleeks up my hair with ease. And I'll just be pretty much just shaping out my edges. You guys know the status quo on that. So once I get the buns together, then I'll be right back just to show you the installation of the clip-ins. Alright guys, so we're pretty much set on this. This is what the clip-in looks like. Of course, it is a looser curl pattern, and I already knew I was going to have to kind of cut it up just because I wanted this to really look more so like my hair than me trying to get a longer length. I really just wanted to kind of even out my texture and really be able to just kind of blend my hair a little bit better, make it look a little softer, healthier, thicker, fuller, all that stuff. And so this is the way that I'm going to be using the clip-ins. And so pretty much just sectioning off the hair in no strategic way. It's not like a perfect line across. You guys will see that in just a few moments. There we go. You guys can see it's all over the place. I have a chunk of my natural hair, of course, out at the bottom because I really want to focus this towards the mid area and towards the top because my curls are pretty loose in the back and they are just kind of like for A, B, C, D, you know, E, F, G, going all the way up to the top. So I'm just finding a way to kind of blend all of this. And so I did go ahead and just kind of clip them in and then take the blow dryer to pretty much just dry them a little bit because I noticed it was just way too wet. And so I ended up just taking it out, putting it back in, and you guys can see the result of that. So I'm going to continue to do that all the way up. You do get a decent set of clip-ins. In my opinion, you may want to get the thicker bundle, of course, of clip-ins. This was enough to, of course, finish my head, but if you are somebody that has absolutely no hair and really short hair and you want to use clip-ins, you're going to want a little bit more hair. So definitely keep that in mind. I'm more so using this just for volume, to say that again. And so as you guys can see, just to kind of really style everything out and blend this with my hair, I am taking this opportunity to cut. If you are not familiar with cutting weave in your hair and being able to clearly see the difference where your hair is versus the weave, I do not suggest attempting to be your own stylist and cut the clip-ins while it's in your head. Go ahead and you'll see some sections of the video where I actually decide to cut the clip-ins before I even put it in. You can definitely use that as an alternative option, you know, just kind of measure it out according to your hair and then go ahead and cut it all ahead of time. That way you're not like cutting your hair. Like, we don't want to go in reverse here, right? So as you guys can see, it's probably about maybe 3 inches of hair left. Obviously, I should have probably just asked them for a shorter length. So I apologize for you guys that are like, what are you doing, Chrissy? Like, you're cutting off the beautiful hair. I know, but I'm using the clip-ins for what I need them for, and so to each his own. You know, if your hair is longer than mine, this will definitely work out a little bit better for you in terms of being able to do a little bit more versatile styles because the front of my hair is shorter than the back of my hair, so I just have to kind of be cautious with that. One thing that I actually thought about doing is like bangs. So the further along this video goes, you will see me kind of just playing around with it, doing my thing, and yeah, I'm going to finish this up and then I will be back to show you guys the final product. babies, we are in the house. So now that I'm pretty much satisfied with everything, we have it nice, neat. I'm going to go ahead and just cut off those last little straight ends there. And everything is completely blended, rounded out. You see some of those looser curls are actually my hair, so I didn't want to cut those off just because you guys know it's kind of that wavy texture on my sides. And yeah, I was really happy with it. It was definitely something that kind of mimics a really, really natural wash and go. I can continue to wear this style over and over and over again. Really awesome. I love the way that that looks. So leave me comments or questions down below. I definitely appreciate all of the support. We should be at 200K by the time this video goes up. You guys have a big giveaway coming up, so definitely make sure not to miss that. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss it. I'm getting tongue-tied. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty. Bye, bye, babies.